dead. I'm so tired. Oh my god.
2 years ago, Ryan and I went on a school trip and we did like a cooking competition, and he lost. But today he's gonna cook for us.
Don't take that. This tastes so bad. This is so hard for me. I woke up like 10 minutes ago. Oh, we need Parmesan. Oh yeah, this one, powdered. Yes. Yeah, beer and chicken. That's the thing. 감사합니다. Alright, thanks.
New York moment 6?
Yeah. Korea's winning tomorrow.
Oh,
against Uruguay. I'm calling it right now. Yes. Yeah. That's how much all of us spent on one person at the Chinese restaurant yesterday.
We overspent. We overspent last night. Oh, he's gritty. Hit the gritty. Who's cutting onions?
Yo, I'm cutting onions. That's crazy. Peel them first. I know.
How do you lose?
Look at this meal we made. Okay, this looks fantastic. Got ugly olio and some salsa on this side. That's like a side salad. Okay. And we lost to this kid.
What have you included in the carbonara? Right, so unfortunately we kept eggs and then the vegetarian meals. We had some milk, really easy to prepare. Okay. And we also cooked or boiled the carbonara pasta with the carbonara sauce and we get the flavor tasting. Okay, got it.
Oh, it's just terrible.
Bro. Oh, bro, he's in the suit. He's in the suit. Oh. That's, oh, thank you. So good.
It's good, right?
So fresh. Bro, it's popping.
I chose the one that had like the nicest looking mandarin.
You're a nice looking mandarin.
Thank you, baby. Are you calling me yellow, bro? That's gotta be racially motivated. Orangutans. Yeah, that's my one. Yeah, I did. I bought like 2
Okay, Ryan's got the technique.
Hey, you know what we should do? You know what I'm thinking, bro. Wait, chill.
The man tastes his own creation.
How is it?
It's good.